traction control?
I'll show you anti-lag. Yo, you got hit fast, bro.
You know what? He about to buy the M340 soon. Let him know.
This dude David trying to eat healthy.
Day one. Let's see how long I last, bro. Day one.
My car looks more like athletic and like line-wise, and it's just pudgy. You know what I mean? It's like a little mafia car, bro.
Your car's a shorty from Dyke, man. My car.
Nah, hold on. Let me set the cameras up. It's heavy right now, cause I got the jacks. I can't move around a lot, so.
Nah.
She goes.
Crazy.
She goes, and the turbo howls, man.
Shit.
Go ahead, stay in it.
Do something, bro. This is crazy. This is a BMW.
And it's like a 4-door sedan, bro. No crazy exhaust. You don't really hear the loud exhaust.
Nah, and that's the point. You don't want all of that. It's just subtle.
You're supposed to stay in it, bro.
You got all this luxury.
You're supposed to stay in it.
It feels like this is a Supra, bro. I'm sorry. 4-door Supra. This is the new Crusader. I think that's what it's called. Cressida?
Oh, Cressida, yeah. Hold on, slow down, see if we can get some. Yeah. Just stay in it. Just stay in it. Just stay in it. Stay in it. Stay. Oh, all the way down. All the way down. Keep going. All the way down, bro.
Nah,
Come on, just floor it, bro. Listen, I'm telling you, go floor it.
Shit.
Stay in it. You see, it gets faster the higher gear you go down.
I love how it sounds.
Yeah, you can roll the windows down and get the full effect.
Let me ask you a question. Do you miss having the coupe?
Yeah. I looked at game 4 and the Porsche 911. Of course, I missed the coupe. But if I get a coupe, I shortly have to get a truck after. I loved it,
Yeah.
but I don't know if I could daily a coupe.
Okay. Damn! Yo, what you doing, bro?
I just put the car back in the sport.
So what was that? So what was that
It was in
before?
manual mode.
So what was that before? Was it like comfort? Nah, bro. That was crazy. That was like right away. This is crazy. Actually, let me tune my car first, bro. This is crazy.
Believe it or not, I drive this car very, very. Hold on, I'm gonna show you anti-lag.
Nah, you don't gotta show me.
it's not that
I'm
bad.
good.
It's
I'm
not
good,
that
bro.
bad.
I'm good.
It's just 4K. Just rev it up a little bit more. Hold it. Now floor it. Now let go of the set.
Oh shit! Nah, I don't want to do that. Yo, my fault. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Yo, you should have stayed in.
Nah, fuck that shit. I'm good. I'm good.
Bro,
Nah, you do it. I don't fuck.
How I know who to go crazy in my car and how not to go crazy? If you get in the car and the first thing you do is turn traction control off, put in Sport Plus, and start like, I'm like, whoa. Okay, number one, you about to go comfort or on the block. You get what I'm saying?
Like, where's the buttons for this?
Yeah, like, oh, how do I do the anti-lag? No.
You good.
However, you know, you get in the car, I already know, you drove my last car, so I already know you cool with it, but you always know a good person when they want to drive, they get in, and they say a whole bunch of shit like you say, like, oh, it's not my car, it's not my car. When people like say like stuff like that, I be like, yo, I know it's not your car. I make the payment every month, but Florida, like, you get what I'm saying? Like,
I want you to experience it.
Yeah, like, yo, you gotta experience it. That dude too old to be on the phone.
Yeah, I was about to say the same thing too.
Wait, he need to get that life up.
What did they do?
Probably look like a car accident. Nothing crazy goes down over here for real.
I was about to say. They blocking just to block. Oh, they really waiting for something.
Oh no, they just boxed her in. They caught her. She was trying to run. Yeah, you gotta get Lionel to drive this shit, man. Oh shit.
I got lost because I do a fat nigga stop, you know.
Hey, yo, you know what you gotta do next?
Oh, scare myself?
You know what you gotta do next?
Yeah, I'm trying to keep my food in my stomach.
You know what you gotta do next? Yo, if any of you guys see him on the highway, give him 3 honks, race him.
Guarantee I won't do shit.
It's fast, it's fast.
Majority of the time I ain't got no gas.
Yeah, that's me too, bro.
Yo, bro, you ain't gotta show me on the brokest nigga head. No. I'm on the highway, I'm like, them bright ass wheels. I see that shit.
Yo, you wanna know what's funny though, bro? The funny thing is, I'm like, yo, what's taking so long, bro? He must have went to the wrong lot. This nigga went to go get some food.
No, I went to the wrong lot. And then I saw the food, and I was like, stop. Like, nah, let me get some. I mean, I made your anyway. Like, it was 5 minutes.
If you can get some food.
You drive every day.
Yo, he said the same. He said, yo, you drive this every day?
Every day?
Yeah, bro. Literally, just floor. Yeah.
Yeah. That was the most aggressive 55 I've ever felt. This is gonna sound fucked up. So you know how girls be looking at niggas with little dicks and be like, that was cute. After fucking with the nigga.
Word, you a bull.
Your car is like that big dick nigga, like the girl fuck with a little dick nigga after.
Don't matter how it just floor. Just keep flooring it. Keep going. Now go over here. Now keep going. Just don't let up. Nah, don't let up. Don't let up. Nigga, hit it. Go back in the middle. Now just hit it, girl. You see how fast it gets? Keep going. Hit floor. I'm telling you, floor. Watch floor. Watch floor, nigga.
The car don't want to stop, nigga. No. You. Your car don't stop. Like, it just wants to keep going. Like, what the?
Huh?
Oh, we lost the Benz.
Oh. He's making you right here.
Niggas gonna look at us like, hell, bro, like, that was crazy.
Hold the set button, and when you do that, floor the car. Let it go. Well, you gotta. I see you letting up. All right, slow down.
This car is crazy.
Pull over right here. I'll show you the anti-lag.
Should pull over right here.
I'll show you. Ah.
Oh, so you trying to?
Yeah, let me switch. I'll show you.
I wasn't scaring myself enough.
Nah, hell no. Wait, you hit it? Yeah. You know, I was trying to get him to do that. I was trying to get him to do the anti-lag.
Nah, don't be like me.
Why you said that? We gonna switch, cause I gotta show him how to drive for real, bro.
Nigga Mike, like, you being a bitch. You only went 120. This nigga trying to kill me. That nigga want to see a big. Only went 120, nigga. This nigga trying to kill me. Yo, bro. Fat nigga shouldn't move that way. Traction control? Oh shit.
I should anti-lag.
Remember to breathe. Yo, whenever you decide to leave that.
What you say?
I ain't gonna talk.
With the anti-lag, it's a little sluggish today. I don't know why it's like not hitting as hard.
I'm gonna wait in the car.
It could be the way. It could be the way.
It's been a while since I've had other fear in a car. It's been a while.
Yeah, that not.
You ain't even get into it like that. Yo. I wasn't ready.
One of those.
More than you can afford, pal. Now that's just more money than this.
Some of these niggas check their blood pressure and shit after. Fuck you, Mike. Fuck you, Mike.
That's why I like rear wheel drive, because it's a fucking slider. You get what I'm saying? Sliding, I think, is more fun than going fast. If you slide, you hit something slow. If you go fast, you hit something fast. You know what I'm saying?
So what happens when you slide fast?
Honestly, that was a pretty fast slide we just did.
Yes, yes.
I don't know, because you see the car was going this way and the car was going a little that way. It could have went both ways. You feel me?
You took 3 lanes, nigga.
Could have died.
Damn. This nigga sliding on a straight line.
I'll try launch control, but I don't think it's ever. Nigga, the hazard lights came on. Yo. See how good it handles in all the lanes? Like, yo, we came close to some cars, bro. He said, alright.
We came close.
Oh, shit.
This nigga made his own lane. The niggas you cut off and still back there skid. Yeah, good thing we went to Mexico, son.
Facts, right? Now you see why I'm saying you wasn't pushing it hard enough?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, what's up? Hope you guys liked the footage earlier in the video. This is becoming a thing where I'm forgetting to film the outro, so I just always end up filming it at the end of when I'm editing it on a computer chair, chilling at the crib. So, and yeah, there you have it. So, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.